Cloud enthusiasts, welcome to our video on what is Cloud Development Kit or CDK. Before we dive into it, we would highly appreciate if you could subscribe to our channel and share the content with your friends. In our previous What is CloudFormation video, we saw how CloudFormation templates can be built using declarative language and help us provision AWS resources repeatedly and predictably. In this video, we will go one step further and discuss AWS CDK, which is an abstraction built on top of CloudFormation templates. By the end of this video, you will understand what CDK is and why there was a need to create yet another abstraction over CloudFormation templates. Suppose you are a programmer familiar with programming in high-level programming languages, such as Python, TypeScript, Java, .NET, etc. You are given the additional task of automating the infrastructure provisioning required by your application. You heard about CloudFormation templates, but you know nothing about building them. In addition, you may not know all the nitty-gritty details about setting up the complicated infrastructure. If you were to use CloudFormation templates, you have to build everything from scratch. On the contrary, by using abstractions provided by CDK, you can use a few lines of CDK code to create hundreds of lines of CloudFormation template code. For example, say you like to build an application that exposes a REST API and stores its data in DynamoDB. You can quickly assemble this application using API Gateway, Lambda, and DynamoDB. However, provisioning this infrastructure using CloudFormation templates would require not only creating the three resources, but also involve creating policies with appropriate access permissions, attaching them to roles, and assigning those roles to the resources. AWS created CDK to help simplify most of the similar tasks by utilizing the commonly used patterns. CDK is a software development framework for defining cloud infrastructure in a high-level programming language, such as TypeScript, JavaScript, Python, Java, and .NET. Because you create your resources in a high-level programming language, you get all the benefits of high-level programming language, such as you can use control flow logic like if statements, for loops, etc. when building your infrastructure. All the supported high-level languages use object-oriented techniques, which you can incorporate to model your application. You can build reusable components that you can share with others in your organization. You can organize your project into simpler logical components and then combine them to build more complex applications. You get the ability to practice good software development techniques by testing your infrastructure code. You can use your existing software development lifecycle, such as version control, code reviews, build pipelines, etc. Lastly, you also get an added benefit of code completion by IDEs. Once you have created your CDK app, you can use the synthesis process, which translates the resources defined in your CDK project into equivalent CloudFormation templates. These generated templates are then uploaded to the CloudFormation engine for provisioning the specified resources. CDK source code is written in TypeScript. So in order to make it possible to write your code once and use it anywhere, AWS provides an accompanying tool called JSII, which takes your CDK code written in TypeScript and translates them into other popular programming languages like Python, Java, .NET, etc. So even if your organization has a polyglot environment, you only have to write code once and use it across your organization with the help of JSII tool. The AWS CDK also comes with the toolkit that provides a command line utility for interacting with the CDK apps. Using this toolkit, you can synthesize your CDK app into CloudFormation templates, deploy your CDK app to different AWS environments, analyze the new changes against existing ones, and delete your app with a single command. In short, using high-level programming languages to provision infrastructure has blurred the lines between application and infrastructure code. We will discover additional capabilities of CDK in detail in our upcoming videos. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.